Telluride. The Kia Telluride is an impressive SUV that boasts a striking exterior look, plenty of interior technology features, additional space for guests in the third row, and a powerful engine leave no doubt that this is an SUV worth talking about. So this vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.